Hello everybody, got a video here. I wanted to do a quick one on this welding cart that I built. I had some scrap metal that I gathered over the summer and I ended up building this welding cart out of it last week. So I'll go ahead and show it to you here. I actually bought the wheels, but I've had them for a long time. Other than that, I don't have no money in it besides welding and time. The welding wire that I purchased, but I got a really good deal on that. I made the back of it big enough so I could have tanks on it. Let me turn the heater off here that I got going. Got a salamander in here just to warm it up real quick. But I needed a welding cart because I got tired of packing this around in here. But this is a welder I got for like $125, I think, or somewhere around there last year. And my Cornwell welding gloves that I've had forever. But the cart turned out pretty good for what it is and what I have in it. I'll get a tape measure here and get some measurements. It's actually pretty much about 14 inches wide. And this here top rack is 2 foot long. And this here one is 2 feet. And the bottom is actually 2 foot. And I need my glasses on. 2 foot 6 inches. And cart itself stands 42 inches high in the front. But I made it so when I do upgrade my welder here, I can put the tanks on the back and that. And it'll work out pretty good yet. Put a little hook on there to hang my helmet on. I'm thinking about putting a handle here on the front to make it easier to push it around, but I'm not for sure yet. But didn't turn out bad for what it is and what little bit of time I have in it. So hope you guys like it, and trying to think of some more things to do videos on. And right now I'm kind of up in the air on what I want to do videos on, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day everybody. Bye.